Coat of arms and why we use symbolism making them. So we're going to talk about coat of arms today. And we'll look at some famous coat of arms and the reason for making them. Coat of arms were made on shields, and they were a distinctive characteristic of the person or family or corporation or country that they represent, because everything in a coat of arms means something to the person who designed it or the designer designing it for that person. So things that are typically used a lot are lions, and they're used as a sign of power. Unicorns are a sign of freedom and femininity and purity. And so we see those time and time again used. Now, Kate and Prince William had just revealed their coat of arms, and it takes a while because when two people that are somewhat famous get married, they marry their coat of arms as well. So on this side with the lion, we see Prince William's coat of arms, and we see Kate's with the side of the unicorn. And we see lions, the guardian lion watching out, and the richness of the crowns. But we also see the feminine purity of the unicorn, and we see the power, protectiveness of the rampant lion. Colors are all represented as well. Yellow is a sign, or gold here is a sign of wealth and power. Red is a sign of power and strength, and blue is a sign of perseverance. Here, in this coat of arms, is much different. We don't see any lions or any of that. We see other mythical creatures that mean something to this country of Bahama. So we have the shell up here at the top of the crest, and then we have the palm tree surrounding the shell coming down, and we see the crown, of course. But the things that are holding up the shield here are a flamingo and a swordfish, which represent the country. And Bahama we associate with having a lot of sun and ships and water. And so this is the coat of arms for Bahama. We're going to try to draw something on this coat of arms, and I'm going to start by putting on a little bit of flour here, which I'm going to start by adding some green leaves. And this stylus is makes very bulky lines, even though I have a very thin line on there. I'm going to add some of the flour here. I'm going to fill it with a different color. So that it will be all filled in. Then I'm going to add some stamen in here. I might add to my leaf here. So on this one, we can see we can really kind of draw different things in. You can change the thickness again, so I can make a line and a pencil point over here, drawing that, or if I don't like that, I can erase it. Oops, but you gotta be careful, you'll erase too much. You could go to the undo button and put in the erase. And then we could pick up this rich color and put that back in there. Okay, so there you have your coat of arms, and flowers are very bright.